Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this magic foam craft for kids. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're going to try it with the kids and I'll show you what it looks like. This package comes with several different pieces in it. We have 56 premium wood pulp sheets that have 30 patterns and 26 that are blank. There's also 12 acrylic paint markers, 2 water absorbent brushes, bead chain, easel, clear bags, instruction sheet, as well as a storage bag, making it a great option to be able to create all kinds of decorative paintings, greeting cards, handmade ornaments, art project, or even DIY projects for the family. This magic foam painting kit is made of wood pulp cotton that is a great option for family, home, classroom, or even for party uses. I love that it comes with everything that we need, including the coloring markers, the water brushes, and all of the supplies that we need to start enjoying this. It is also very easy to use. All we need to do is draw, add a little bit of water, and watch the flat patterns turn into a vivid 3D effect like magic. If you are in the market for a fun activity for the kids, this is definitely worth looking into.